Today we will study about the science portion which is asked in the every railway examination and all the science question from the Kiran publication books. So first we will study questions asked from physics, after that chemistry, after that biology. So let us come physics. The melting point of ice decreases by increasing pressure. Longitudinal wave can't travel in vacuum. Light is a creature that uses sound wave to see. Dynamo is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Balloon filled with helium floats in air due to less density of helium. The sound of bat is ultrasonic. William Roentgen discovered X-ray. The speed of sound in steel is the fastest. The unit of sound is decibel. Thermocouple thermometer used to measure temperature between 200 degrees Celsius to 1600 degrees Celsius. The armature of dynamo is made of coiled copper. The density of gold is 19.3 gram by centimeter cube. The stadium square radian is the sine unit of solid angle. Weight of man on earth 600 Newton. Acceleration due to gravity G on earth is 10 meters per square. If he was taken to moon, his weight would be 100 Newton. The weight of an object on the moon is 1 by 6 of the weight on the earth. Electric field inside a hollow sphere is always zero. To achieve yellow, green, red spectrum, they pass through white filter. Hydrometer is used to measure specific gravity of liquid material. A stick in water appears slanted due to reflection in the light. If focus F is meter, then its capacity is called diopter. Red, green, blue are primary color. The telescope has two convex lenses. Ordinary weighting scale are example of practical use of torque in daily life. A gun recoils when bullet is fired from it. The bubble of soap increases because the surface tension of water decreases with mixing of soap. X-ray are discovered by Roentgen. Pitch of sound depends upon its frequency. Relative density is measured by hygrometer. When shaving brush is removed from the water, its hair cling together due to surface tension. Physics. Fresh X and old X can be differentiated by X-ray. A watch based on principle of dormant spring when taken to moon will be slowed down. The critical angle of diamond is 24.4 degrees. A small raindrop becomes brown due to surface tension. Air bubble behave like concave lens in water. Washing machine work on the principle of centrifugal force. The negative acceleration is called retardation. SI unit of acceleration is meter by second. Volume of water decreases by heating 0 to 4 degrees Celsius and increases heated more than 4 degrees. Scattering flight is maximum in case of violet color, while in minimum in case of red color of light. Now, X-ray discovered by Roentgen. Inventor of Raman effect was C.V. Raman. 1 micron is called 0.001 mm. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Transmission of heat by atomic composition is called conduction. The boiling point of water at Kelvin circle is 373 degree, 373 degree. Now, the earthquake tremors are recorded at seismograph. All biological ambient process different climatic seasonal direction occur in tropospheric layer. The speed of sound is maximum in psychrometer. Relative humidity is measured in hygrometer. The color which has maximum wavelength is red color. Lens used to focus the ray of sun is convex lens. Centigrade and Fahrenheit temperature thermometer both these show same measurement at -4 degrees Celsius. For joining two track on rail track, joint bar is used. For C.V. Raman was awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1930. Nautical miles, unit of supreme distance. Newton proposed law of gravitation. When the ice slides float inside glass with water, the water level will remain unchanged. When an object is transferred from moon to the earth, the weight of that object increases on earth. Earthquakes are recorded on seismographic scale. Mach number is related to speed of airplane. John Ritter is the best known for his discovery of ultraviolet light in 1801. Gravitational force regulates the structure and evolution of whole world. Due to force of gravity, the planet revolves around the sun. In camera, convex lens is used. A magnet hanging independently in the south direction is always stable. If its length is increased 4 times, its period becomes double. Sound wave are partially vertical or partially oblique. A altimeter or altitude is an instrument to measure the altitude of an object above the fixed level. Ohm's law states that the current flow through conductor with 2 points is directly proportional to voltage across 2 points. Light year used to measure distance between Earth and Sun. A photon is a small packet of light. Endoscopy used to find stomach problem based on total reflection. The rising of oil in a wick of lamp is an example of capillary. The wavelength of infrared is 7800 Armstrong to 1 mm. Scattering of light is maximum in case of violet light, while minimum in case of red color of light. Lactometer used to measure purity of milk. The food is cooked quickly due to less boiled salted water. Visual radiation was discovered by Newton. Primary color, the red, green, blue, used in color television. SI unit of potential is volt. Microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy. Fusion in alloy with melting point less than the high resistance. Hydrogen bomb is a nuclear fusion. Arthur C. Clarke discovered set of communication satellite in geosynchronous orbit. The wavelength of the gamma radiation is 10 to -14 to 10 to -10 meter. The use of X-ray is to find malfunction of precious stone and diamond. Heat engine converts heat to mechanical energy. Temperature of human body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. All three methods of heat transmission are minimum in thermoflash. If a man moves towards a plane mirror with a speed v, the images move toward the speed 2v related to the object. If Earth stops rotate on an axis, the value of g will increase on every place behind the poles. The value of velocity on Earth is 11.2 km per second. A temperature on which an object behaves like a superconductivity is called critical temperature. The velocity of cathode ray is 1/10 velocity of light. Voltmeter. Voltmeter is measure of volt, resistant unit of ohm. There are two convex lens in telescope. Hydrogen bomb embedded in the nuclear fusion. The speed of sound is maximum in ion. Force imposed by pulling spring. Example: restitution forces. Air and different layer of gases surrounding Earth is called atmosphere. A fisherman is stranded in lake because the motor of his boat has failed. He should be float on his boat to reach the shore. The whole structure of world is regulated by gravitational force. The first observer to ultraviolet ray is John William Ritter. Mach number is related to aircraft. The ground stationary telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. During photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into chemical energy. Metal gets heated by the conduction. Hygrometer used to measure relative humidity. The maximum density of water is 3.98 degrees Celsius. Iron pieces dirt from the surface of water because water displaced by iron is less than weight of iron. The doctor used concave mirror for treatment of teeth. Air is a mixer and bronze is an alloy. The retina is the light sensitive tissue lying back of eye. Water on the mount start boiling at temperature below 100 degree. Surface of fluid spherical due to shape of fluid drop is spherical due to surface tension. Dry sand seems to shine because of reflection.